भर में लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं, कम मेक इन इंडिया।
I request Chairman EPCH Shri Dilip Baiji to do the honors. Also have a memento for sir. This is the memento for our chief guest. Sir, I would now request you to kindly give away these awards. As we all know, Ajay Shankar Memorial Awards were instituted in the memory of late Shri Ajay Shankar ji, former Development Commissioner of Handicrafts, a visionary who contributed a lot to the starting of this fair. And then we have Shri P.N. Suri Memorial Awards named after Shri P.N. Suri, a stalwart of handicrafts and founder Chairman of EPCH. So we will begin with different categories, sir. We begin with bathroom accessories. In the category of bathroom accessories, Ajay Shankar Memorial Gold goes to Design India, Moradabad. Mr. Anubhav Agrawal will come and receive the award. This is the gold in the bathroom accessories category. In the category of candles, incense sticks, potpourri and aromatics, the gold goes to Anita Gupta. She is from the Surya Exports, New Delhi. Surya Exports gets the gold. Can we have Anita Gupta ji on stage from Surya Exports? I think she is not here. And the silver in this category goes to Delta Exports Private Limited, New Delhi. Mr. Raju Yadav ji to please come on stage to receive this award. Can we quickly have you here, all the awardees? Please be alert whenever I am calling the name of your company. Please join us. Mr. Raju Yadav getting silver in category of incense sticks, potpourri, aromatics and candle. Delta Exports Private Limited. And the bronze in this category goes to Goluka Seva Trust, Bangalore. Ms. Charu Krishna Das to please come on stage to receive this award. Do we have anyone from Goluka Seva Trust, Bangalore? We move on to the next category of Christmas and festive decorations. The gold in this category goes to Meer Handicrafts, New Delhi. Ms. Shireen to please come on stage. Shireen is coming on stage to receive the gold for Meer Handicrafts. And the other award goes to India Cure Private Limited, Varanasi. Mr. Anirudh to please come on stage to receive this award. Mr. Anirudh from India Cure Private Limited. Category of Christmas and festive decorations, India Tour Private Limited, Varanasi. Is anyone here? Hold the next category of decorative and gifts including corporate gifts goes to JO Exports International, Moradabad. Mr. Ankur Agrawal to please come on stage to receive the award. Let's hear it for all the awardees. And the silver in this category goes to Panache India International.
भैया
Mr.
थोड़ा हाथ नीचे
Virendra
ले लो।
Mishra and team will come on stage.
हाथ नीचे रखो भैया।
After the gold, we have the silver winners in the category of decorative and gifts including corporates, Panache India International, New Delhi. And in this category, bronze goes to Malhotra Handicrafts, Moradabad. Manav and Simran Malhotra to please come on stage. The bronze in the category of decorative and gifts including corporate gifts. Can we have Pramod Kumar on stage, please? Pramod Kumar ji from Polynesian World Decoratives Private Limited, Faridabad. They also get the award in the category of decoratives and gifts, including corporate gifts. Pramod Kumar ji from Polynesian World Decoratives Private Limited, Faridabad. Next is the category of fashion jewelry, canvas, cotton, jute bags, leather bags, scarves, tie, accessories, handicrafts, garments including chicken curry, zardozi, and the gold in this category goes to Navratan Enterprises, New Delhi. Shahana Agrawal to receive the award from Navratan Enterprises, New Delhi. Shahana is this side coming up on stage. And the bronze in this category goes to Richie Bags and Fashions Private Limited, Kolkata, Mr. Sujit Banerjee. Coming on stage to receive the bronze in this category. Bronze. For floor coverings and rugs, in this category, the gold goes to Indian Carpet Center, New Delhi, Mr. Vidur Sodhani. Mr. Vidur Sodhani to please come on stage. Indian Carpet Center, New Delhi. There's a lot of movement, so I can hardly know whether the awardee is coming or not coming. So please raise your hands, I think. Silver in this category goes to AVA Handfab Private Limited, Meerut. Ashish Gupta to please come on stage. There's a category of floor coverings and rugs. The other category is furniture, hardware and accessories including cane, bamboo, natural fiber and eco-friendly products. And bronze in this category goes to Handy Mandy Crafts, Jodhpur. Ronak Parak to please come on stage. As for Handy Mandy Crafts, Jodhpur, and the gold goes to Living Private Limited, Jodhpur. Jainendra Singh Bhati ji to please come on stage. Category goes to Family Hub LLP Jodhpur. Family Hub LLP Jodhpur. Mr. Shahrukh is here to receive the award. Next category is handmade paper, gift wraps and ribbons including soft toys, and it goes to Artifacts India, New Delhi. Mr. Ravindra Sharan to please come on stage. Bronze in the category of handmade paper, wraps and ribbons. Ravindra Sharan to receive the award. It's Mr. Ravindra here. And the gold in this category goes to Goyal Crafts, Jaipur. Gold in this category goes to Goyal Crafts, Jaipur. Amit Goyal to come on stage. This is for the category of handmade paper, gift wraps and ribbons including soft toys. And silver in this category goes to Grover Traders, Delhi. Amit Grover to come on stage. Do we have anybody from Grover Traders, Delhi? Category of home furnishings and made-ups, the award goes to Arushi Private Limited, Gurgaon. Snigdha Garg will come on stage. Snigdha. This is bronze. Gold goes to Hometex, JC Hometex, Jaipur. For gold, can we please have on stage Avnish Sharma from JC Hometex, Jaipur. This is the category of home furnishings and made-ups. And silver in this category goes to Universal Knitwear, Sonipat. Universal Knitwear, Sonipat. Suraj Bhatia ji to come on stage. Okay, we move on to the next category. Houseware, stableware, kitchenware and hotelware including EPNS. And bronze in this category goes to JBK International, Moradabad. Mr. Manish Chabra coming on stage to receive the bronze. Mr. Manoj Khosla is coming next to receive his silver for Stalwart Design, Moradabad. Moving on to the next category of lamp lighting and accessories. Bronze goes to Galaxy Overseas, Firozabad, Mr. Aryan Goyal. Bronze to Galaxy Overseas, Firozabad, Mr. Aryan Goyal getting the bronze. And the gold in this category goes to Greater Inmark Exports, Greater Noida. Inmark Exports, Greater Noida, Mr. Virendra Kumar with his team. This is the gold for lamp, lighting and accessories going for Inmark Exports, Greater Noida. And silver in this category goes to Reflections Interior Products Private Limited, Bangalore. Mr. Sunil Prabhakar will receive the award. This is the silver. We have a special category of sustainable goods, and the gold in this category goes to Graffiti Cottage. For sustainable products, Graffiti Cottage gets the gold. Let's hear it for our organizations who make this sustainable, very fashionable. Graffiti Cottage gold, and silver goes to Meraki. They're called Meraki Art. They get the silver in the category of sustainable goods. silver. And bronze in this category goes to palm fiber. Palm fiber. Okay, we silver for the category of fashion. Yeah. Ashok National gets the award. And now for vote of thanks, I request Vice President Fair, Shri Kamal Kaushal Varshney to do the honors, please.
Thank you. Chairman EPCH Shri Dilip Baid ji, Sagar Mehta ji, Vice Chairman EPCH, Shri Nadeem Ahmed Khan, Fair Reception Committee Vice Chairman, and Shri Rakesh Kumar ji, Director General in the role of Chief Mentor EPCH, and Shri R.K. Verma ji, Executive Director EPCH, Member of COA, distinguished guests, exhibitors, buyers, buying representatives, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is really indeed a moment of pride and joy as we gather here today to honor excellence in creativity, craftsmanship and visual storytelling through the Ajay Sinkar Memorial Awards for Best Stand Design and Display. On behalf of the Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts, I take the opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you for being a part of this prestigious occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express our deep gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest Sri Kuljit Chahal ji, Vice Chairman NDMC, and dignitaries who graced this award function with their presence and added immense value to the evening with their encouraging words. We would also like to thank all the participants of the IAGF Fair Spring 2025. Each and every stand this season was a reflection of India, rich craft, heritage blended with modern aesthetics. Your collective contributions have elevated the overall experience of this fair or buyer from occasions across the globe. My heartfelt thanks to the entire team of EPCH, the designers and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth execution of this award ceremony. Last but certainly not the least, we thank our buyers, visitors and media partners who continue to support and celebrate Indian handicrafts on the global stage. Thank you and फिर मिलेंगे in next fair.
Thank you so much. I request all the COA members to kindly come on stage for the group photograph, and heartfelt congratulations to all the awardees for all the hard work and the efforts they have put in their stalls as they received awards for the best display and design. And thanks to all the exporters, buyers, speakers, everyone for the resounding success of the 59th edition of IHGF Delhi Fair. We all meet in October for our autumn fair. The next edition is going to be very special as it's going to be the 60th edition of IHGF Delhi Fair. Thank you.